Go check your Facebook page right now. When's the last time you posted? Was it 6 months ago, a year ago, longer? Here's why that's a problem. Maybe your phone is still ringing right now, so it feels harmless, but that's about to change, and most contractors have no idea what's about to hit them. AI services like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google, and Google's AI overviews are reading your social media pages right now, and they're using them to decide whether your brand is alive or dead. That's called AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. It's the practice of getting your business cited when AI answers a homeowner's question. A homeowner asks ChatGPT, who's a good plumber in their town? And the AI hands back 2 or 3 names. Everybody else is invisible. 68% of local searches now show an AI overview. Only 1.2% of local businesses get recommended by AI search at all. Whether you're a plumber, an electrician, a landscaper, it doesn't matter. You're fighting for a tiny handful of slots. So what gets a contractor or a home service pro into that 1.2%? Brand mention density is a really big part of that. The contractors who show up are the ones the internet keeps talking about. AI engines build their answers by basically understanding the entire internet. Your website, your reviews, directories, local press, and increasingly, social media. Continuity's Q1 2026 research found that social media's share of AI citations is at about 9%. Reddit gets the most attention, but Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn all feed into that same social media component. In fact, their Q2 research shows an uptick in Instagram share specifically, AI citations within the Google AI mode and AI overviews. Here's 3 numbers that matter. Brands with heavy mention volume across social and reviews get roughly 4 times the citation chance as brands with minimal activity. Brands with 80 or more reviews show up in 75% of AI answers. Brands with no reviews show up in about 1%. Businesses on trust hubs, those are citations around the web like Yelp, are 3 times more likely to be cited than businesses that are not. Let's walk through the math on this. You post a project photo on Facebook, tagged with your business name and your city. Google indexes it. That post is now a brand mention tied to a real location. If you do that once a week, so roughly 50 times a year on Facebook and on Instagram, and add in your Google review replies and your citation activity, you've built around a 200 mention footprint that AI can recognize. Your competitor, meanwhile, posts nothing. Their whole footprint is their website, maybe their Google business profile. That's a handful of signals against your 200 plus. When ChatGPT or whatever other AI decides who to recommend, it's not even a close call at all. The recommendation goes to the brand with the better quality and quantity of data points available. The contractors who improve their AI visibility do so by maximizing their brand mentions in a controllable way. One easy way to do that is to contribute to your social media presence, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and the like. Post on a schedule, weekly at minimum, twice a week would be even better, and that cadence is what actually builds your footprint. It's what AI engines can then recognize and count. It's not complicated. A simple job photo tagged with your city, a before and after shot, maybe a customer reaction video. Every one of those pieces of content is a breadcrumb for AI to eat up. So what are the things that can move the needle, that can improve your AEO and your AI visibility? Number 1, post weekly on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at a minimum. Tag the city, name the service. Every piece of content is a brand mention. Number 2, ask for a review from every happy customer. Aim for 80 plus reviews or more. That's that magic number tied to showing up in the majority of AI answers. Number 3, add FAQ content to your website. AI engines tend to lift FAQ answers almost directly word for word into some of their summaries. Number 4, build dedicated service and city pages instead of just one generic services page. A page built around roof replacement in your specific city is something an AI can really sink its teeth into compared to one single page that mentions every service you offer. Number 5, get listed on the trust hubs that matter for you and for your industry and for your homeowners. Places like your Google business profile, the BBB, Yelp, your local chamber. Every one of those listings is a real mention proving that you are real to people, but also to AI. One bit of warning here on the social side of things: posting on social media for the sake of posting on social media will not work. You need to make sure your business name is properly set up, that your city is mentioned in the post where possible. If your info doesn't match across all of your listings, you're not really building that signal correctly for AI engines to understand who you are. Consistency matters more than volume. A sloppy, inconsistent footprint won't get you cited any faster than a completely quiet one. If you need help building your AEO foundation, your website, your reviews, your Google business profile, and the social posting that ties it all together, the pros at FootbridgeMedia are always ready to help. Learn more about why thousands of contractors and home service pros just like you rely on FootbridgeMedia's contractor marketing services by visiting us online at FootbridgeMedia.com.